Choose any type of tape that you find easy to work with and carefully apply it so that it aligns perfectly with the edge of the vinyl. Once it's in place, use a utility knife to trim off any excess before applying the dab and the final coat of paint. To fill the gap between the vinyl and painted parts, you can use regular dab or fast drying dab, it's up to you. To remove excess dab, use your finger, a damp cloth, a damp sponge piece, or a knife for the corners. We recommend applying dab in 2 stages, removing excess where there is too much and adding more where there is too little. After dab has completely dried, apply the final coat of paint. Once the paint is fully dry, remove the tape and your stairs will be ready to enjoy. And there you have it, a stylish, budget-friendly, durable solution for your stairs. With custom vinyl nosings and unfinished painted risers and stringers, you can definitely create modern, sleek look for your stairs. Um, Again, we hope you enjoyed our tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please comment below. We're going to be more than happy to answer. In our next video, we're going to show you a second option of vinyl stairs installation, this time with finished risers and stringers. Stay tuned for more DIY tutorials with VinylNosing.